Hi, I'm Mr. Hafeez from Masters Academy. Today, we are going to discuss a few more in detail about insert menu. In a previous session, we discussed about the basics of MS Word, the basics of the file menu, and we tried to open the previous one. Yeah. So this is the document what we gone through. So here we gave few operations and a few styles and font styles and even the scratches, strike off text font and subscript, superscript. So all these we tried in a previous session and even inserting a few tables, graphs and inserting a table here, right? So here inserting table and typing this and we have gone through this and selecting styles and shading, so everything we have gone through that and come back to the insert. So pictures, shapes, icons, 3D, smart art and all these are over, and today we are going to discuss about header and footer. So this is actually there inside insert menu, the group called header and footer section. So click on header, you will get it. So here I just want to type MS Office, right? So I'm closing. So again, I'm going back to the insert and clicking on footer. So there are only one text and three columns. There are so many styles. I have selected this. So MS Word by Mr. Hafeez at Master Academy. So this is what I have selected. And after clicking on the close header and footer on the ribbon, I can close it, or double click in a body, you will get out of from the header part as well as the footer part. So please observe these 5 pages, each and every page got the same header and same footer. So this is how you can insert header and footer. I'll save as this by name, save a copy, MS Office. So file, header underscore footer, so that in future that can be understood. Got it, right? And now, so I just want to try with some other process. So I double clicked it, I removed it, I double click and removed it. So I just want to try here, Mr. Hafeez in header and tab www.mrhafeez.com. So I kept my website, and in here hash, so inserting insert page number, bottom page. So I just inserted. So this is another approach, another way to insert the header as well as footer. So I hope you understood clearly. Please follow this and try to use it from your end and submit the assignment. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.